to who killed the pimple. What is the Magnesium Microdart Patch?
We are not a regular microdart patch, we are beyond and better. Clinically proven, patented technology, 99.9% natural magnesium microdarts clear out the source of acne by ionizing the skin. Formulated with salicylic acid, niacinamide, and tea tree, this is the most innovative pimple patch to flat cystic, hormonal acne, and painful below-the-surface acne backed by clinical tests. Unlike the other patches, magnesium works for breaking down and targeting acne bacteria by ionizing your skin pH level. The most innovative advanced pimple patches on the market. Available in 5 different sizes: mini, small, medium, large, and extra large for every size of acne.
Why should I use it?
Magnesium Microdart is the only pimple patch that is clinically proven and is US patented technology. FreeGo Cosmetics is the only brand in the US that carries magnesium microdarts while offering 5 different sizes. Unlike any other existing hydrocolloid or microdart pimple patch, our magnesium microdarts work effectively upon apply, giving faster results than any others.
What makes it different from regular patches?
There's a clear difference between a hydrocolloid patch and magnesium microdarts, how they work, and what kind of acne they're made to treat. Hydrocolloid patches are great for whiteheads or surface level breakouts. They act as a protective layer. But magnesium microdarts take a different approach. The magnesium microdarts dissolve into the skin, delivering active ingredients deep into the pimple, straight to the source. They don't just sit on the surface, they actively fight acne germs and inflammation. Magnesium microdarts are best for deeper, more inflamed breakouts like papules, pustules, cystic acne, and hormonal acne.
What are the benefits?
While a hydrocolloid patch is made of hydrocolloid sheet, magnesium microdarts are made with natural mineral magnesium with a hydrocolloid backing, offering 2-in-1 dual effect on targeting acne bacteria at the source with magnesium while healing the skin with hydrocolloid. Faster healing of skin and getting rid of acne germs. Unlike hydrocolloid pimple patch, magnesium microdarts are clinically proven to flatten cystic, hormonal, and deep below the surface acne that normal hydrocolloid or regular microdart patch cannot reach.